guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a merry Christmas. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair that got sent to me from Uhair. What I'm going to be doing different today is I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside of the packaging and the box, obviously, alongside of the hair. And what I'm going to be doing differently is I'm going to be customizing the hairline as a widow's peak, because I have not tried that before, and plus I'm going to be installing this hair because New Year is coming up, so I wanted to try something new and something different. I love y'all and I appreciate all of you, and let's go into 2024 with a bang, and let's just strive to greatness together. Alright guys, keep on watching. Uhair was kind enough to send me over their straight transparent lace frontal wig in the length 22 inches and in the density 150%. And let me tell you, it may look thin on camera, but this hair is thick, okay? In today's video, I will not be going in with any bleach, but if you do, it's going to be giving off pretty much scalp. So guys, this was after I went in and customized the hairline. As you saw before, it does come customized and pre-plucked. If you want to leave it like that, that is absolutely fine. But like I said, I'm aiming for the widow's peak and the bust down middle part combo. So just as I was about to get into it, they wanted to come on the camera and show me some loving, and off camera as well, obviously. But yeah guys, he always wants to be seen and make it known that he's my man. So first things first, to make this hairline blend in with my skin tone, I went in with my Rimmel London, the Match Me Perfection foundation in the colour SPF 15. Another tip that I've learned is to apply the foundation inside of the wig and on the outside on top. A new tip that I've taught myself is by getting your contour and applying that directly onto the lace where you've placed your foundation, on the outside and on the inside as well, and that gives you the most ultimate melt. You'll see. I'm also going to be putting you guys on this lace glue which got sent to me from a company called UOG, and it is a premium lace wig adhesive glue, and I've used this about twice now. This is the second time I'm using it in this video, and I kid you not, this glue has a very strong hold. It holds the lace in place. You can even go in the shower with it. Literally insane results, and this glue will last you for days, so your wig is not budging for nothing. So I applied 2 layers of this glue, if y'all are wondering, because I'm trying to keep this wig on my head top for about 2.5 weeks. Like I said, I'm installing this unit for New Year. Next, I'm just cutting off the air tabs and the excess lace, and I'm literally just cutting it just by following the hairline. And I'm literally trying to make this install as clean as possible because I am not doing any baby hairs. And don't be scared to go back in with some more glue if your lace is lifting. That is the key tip to making your lace melt into your skin. So to style the hair, I just swiftly ran my straighteners through the hair, and look how luscious these locks are looking. Flow baby flow, chef's kiss. Now to tackle that part in and make it a little bit more visible, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and applied that and rubbed it in. Not too much, just a minimal amount. Then I added a little bit of hair oil to add some sheen, and that is all I did, guys. And I'm gonna have to say, guys, this wig has topped off all of the wigs that I have installed on my YouTube channel throughout 2023, and I've got Uhair to thank for that. So this definitely came out clean as F, definitely giving off clean widow's peak plus middle part combo, and I'm here for it. So drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you all in 2024. Happy New Year!
Where you wanna go, what you wanna do?